Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. These are the Sony WH-1000XM4s, probably one of the best wireless noise cancelling headphones that you can pick up right now in 2021. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing process if you pick one of these up, as well as the initial setup process, so you know what you should do in case you decide to pick these up. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. This year, Midnight Blue is the flagship color that Sony is offering with the 1000XM4, so I decided to go with that. So at the front of the box we have a picture of the headphones, and at the top of the box we have the Sony logo along with the model number. At the bottom it says 360 reality audio, and it says Google Assistant and Alexa built in with wireless connection, 30 hours of battery life along with that Bluetooth connection. And on the bottom right hand side it says wireless connection with noise cancelling, so that's pretty great. Having a look at the back of the box, it describes what these headphones can do. I will show you guys all of these details later on as I set this up, and it's compatible with iPhone, iPod as well as Android, and all of that information is at the top. On the side we have the Sony logo, and at the bottom we have the serial number and all of that. So to unbox these headphones, it's pretty easy. So you can just slide this pouch out and it says easy setup here, so you can go ahead and lift over this little leaflet and it'll reveal the headphones. So this time the blue headphones come with a blue color, so that's pretty neat. I'm gonna keep that to the side and show you guys what else comes inside the box. So here we get the user manuals as well as other documentation that Sony has provided, along with a 360 reality audio free trial. So with that out of the way, now let me go ahead and show you guys the headphones. So this is the cover that we get. It's a hard shell cover that looks pretty nice in this midnight blue color. So I'm gonna open it up to show you guys the headphones for the very first time. I was actually initially deciding between the black and the midnight blue. I think the midnight blue looks pretty slick. Keeping the headphones to the side for a bit, we get an airplane adapter along with a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable in case you want to use it wired, even though this is a wireless headphone, in case the battery runs out or something like that. And we also get a USB Type-C charging cable here with a Type-A end for you to use whenever you want to charge these headphones. Inside the box we also get instructions on how you can fold and place your headphones properly inside this hard shell case, so you can do that when you want. It's a pretty good looking case, so I'm gonna keep that to the side and put my attention onto the headphones themselves. So these are the headphones, looks pretty nice. Majority of the headphone, as you can see, is in midnight blue color, which might be the ideal choice for you if you're rocking the latest blue color iPhone 12 Pro. Let me show you guys an overview of these headphones. On the left ear cup at the bottom we have the USB Type-C charging port, and on the right hand side we have a 3.5 millimeter cable point along with the power button, and we have a custom button that we can assign to anything that we want, and there are a couple of gestures that are built into the side of this headphone as well that you can use. I will show you guys that later. Having a look inside the headphones, on the left ear cup we also get this new sensor, which is one of the highlighting features this time around with the Mark 4s over the Mark 3s, so just want to let you guys know about that as well. Now that we've unboxed the headphones, let me show you guys how you can set this one up. So you just have to take your phone, open up the camera and scan the QR code in the pouch that we get. That will directly lead you to Sony's website where it will show you the Headphones Connect application. Or you can directly head into the App Store or the Google Play Store to get this app and download that onto your device. So you just have to wait a little bit until the app is downloaded, and once that is done you can go ahead and select the country where you're from. So I'm gonna go ahead and select Sri Lanka over here, and then you have to agree to all the terms and conditions, followed by the privacy policy acceptance, and then you have to allow the headphones to use Bluetooth on your device. You can do that, and then go ahead and press and hold on that power button to turn on the headphones for the very first time. Now it's time to pair our headphones with the smartphone, so you just have to go ahead and press and hold on that power button until this blue color light starts blinking, so the headphones can be connected to your smartphone. So it will show up on your smartphone. You can go ahead and select it, and then it will also prompt you to install other Sony applications, so you can go ahead and install them if you wish. So I'm quickly installing those other applications here as well. So once that is done, it will say that the Sony headphones have been registered, and after that it will show me briefly the new features that are available here, along with adaptive sound control and the other functionalities. I can pick to use these or decide on it later on as I use the product. So I'm going to skip all these steps and go into the app, and here it will show me a software update already available for these headphones. So I'm going to go ahead and try to install that latest update first. Now here on the app we have 3 tabs: status, sound and system. So this is where you can change the noise cancellation levels, and we can enable speak to chat as well as ambient sound control. You also get the option to connect 2 devices simultaneously here, so you can turn that on, and there are power controls and some other options that are given here. So if you go to the status, you can see what's playing on your device. So all of that is baked into these applications, so you can control your device easily from here. So I'm gonna just wait a little bit for this software update to finish installing, and once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and try the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. So pretty excited to try these ones out. Looks pretty nice in this blue color. I'm gonna use this for a couple of days, and I'll get back to you guys on what my experience has been using this one with the latest smartphones, and not only iPhones but also the latest Android smartphones that are available that I am using. I know someone's gonna ask for the price. So currently it's selling somewhere around 70,000 Sri Lankan rupees right here, unless you find a discount or offer that's available. So in my full review, I'll let you guys know whether these headphones are worth it for that kind of price. Well guys, with that being said, now that we have finished the setup process as well, now it's time for me to go ahead and test these out, use it for my day-to-day activities, and start listening to some more music so that I can finish testing these headphones. If you have any questions that you want me to answer in my full review, definitely drop a comment down below and let me know. And you can also drop me a message on my social media channels, and definitely follow me over there as well. All the links are given down below in the description. I'm at Andro Dollar, and you can stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world as well. With all of that being said guys, this has been my unboxing and the initial setup process of the Sony noise cancelling headphones WH-1000XM4s, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely share it with a friend, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.